Hey guys, this is Gautami. Welcome to Sarvaruchi. Today we are going to prepare pesarattu, that is green gram dosa with ginger chutney. Let's enter into the process. First we will prepare pesarattu. For that add 1 cup of green gram, 3 tablespoons of rice, and these are washed well for 3 times. Now add required water for soaking. Make it to soak for 6 hours. After 6 hours, green grams are soaked well. Now the water is drained well. Transfer to the blender. Blend it at a time. Now add 3 green chilies, 1 inch of sliced ginger, few curry leaves, half tablespoon of zeera, required rock salt, 1/4 tablespoon of hing. Add water, blend it, finely blended. Now transfer to a bowl. I am just adding little water. Add 1 cup of finely chopped onions, few finely chopped coriander leaves. Combine it well. No need of adding water. All are combined well. Batter consistency slightly thick. This is the pesarattu batter. Now heat the pan, grease the oil. Now add ladle full of pesarattu batter. Spread it uniformly. Now spread oil. Make it to roast it well for few minutes. After few minutes roasted, flip and roast other side. After few minutes, other side also roasted well. Transfer to a plate. That's it. Pesarattu is ready. Now we will prepare ginger chutney. For that, first heat the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, half tablespoon of mustard seeds, 3/4 tablespoon of zeera, 1 tablespoon of urad dal. Saute it well for few seconds. After few seconds, these are turns golden. Now add 5 red chilies, 1/4 cup of sliced ginger. Saute it well in medium flame. After few seconds, the raw smell goes off. Now add required rock salt, lemon sized tamarind, little turmeric powder. Saute it well. Don't burn it. After few seconds it is sauteed. Off the flame and make it to cool slightly and transfer to a blender. Now add 1/3 cup of jaggery. Make it to blend it. It is blended. Now add little water. Again blend it. It is finely blended. Transfer to a bowl. I am just adding little water. You can adjust water. Mix it well. It is combined. Keep it aside. Now we will do tempering. For that, heat the kadai. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, half tablespoon of mustard seeds. It started spluttering. Now add 2 broken red chilies, few curry leaves. Make it to saute it well. These are sauteed well. Off the flame and add it on the chutney. That's it. Ginger chutney is ready. Finally, pesarattu with ginger chutney is ready. This combination is very good. Please try at home, friends. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.